Okay, so now in this video, you're going to understand how to format numbers. How do you format numbers? Whether you have numbers already in your Excel spreadsheet or even before you plug in your numbers, you can actually do like a pre-format of that particular cell. What I mean by that is even though I don't have a number right here, I can apply currency to this particular cell so that when I do type a number such as, let me come out of that and go back in. When I type a number like that and click away from it, notice it comes out as $5 because it's already been formatted. You can see it right here as currency. So I'm going to delete that. Everywhere where we have a number, though, for right now, an existing number, let's highlight those numbers. And I'm going to just demonstrate this to you because I know eventually we're going to, in the upcoming video, you will learn the formulas. And so since I know that I want these three numbers to have currency, the currency sign on them, but I also want eventually that formula that I'm going to put in here, which will be a formula that will add these numbers to have currency on it. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight just those four cells because I know what I'm about to do. Okay. That's only when you know when you're about to do something, you know what's coming up. You've already have a plan for how you want to lay this whole thing out, your workbook. So in this case, let's just highlight those cells and we'll just come right here on the numbers section of the ribbon, click the drop down and simply choose currency. See, now notice we have currency, the currency sign next to our numbers, and they look a whole lot better, by the way. And there are other ways of doing this, but I'm gonna just show you that one way because I don't want to confuse you. Let's just keep it simple. Trust me, there's always more than one way of performing a command in really any of these software applications, whether you're talking about Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. So that's one way. So let's do this again. I'm going to highlight these four numbers and we'll come right here and we'll choose currency. All right. So I know that eventually in the upcoming video, we're going to have a formula here and we want currency to appear there. That's already been decided. I've already put it there, applied it there, as well as here. This one is going to be different. Now we can take numbers and turn them into a percentage. So if I type 7, notice it shows 7%. So even if I typed a formula in there, the result of the formula equal to will be a percentage in that particular cell location, which is in this case I3. Okay. It's really not that difficult. We can come over here on the right hand side. And we can do, let's format these, whatever, 3 or 4 cells as short dates. And then I can come in here and if I type a number, let me move this out the way. If I type a number, let me do that again so you can see it. If I type a number, it'll pop open the date. So typically it's going to look at today's date and you know, it's up to you however you want to do it. You can just say whatever, February the 1st. We still have date in there. We could do it again and we can say the 8th or however you want to do it. Type another number. And so you get the idea. Now, trust me. There's so many other ways of doing this. When we get into the formulas, I'm going to show you this copy command, which is pretty cool. When it comes to like months or when you give Excel a pattern to follow, it's a pretty cool command. The copy command, as far as using it in conjunction with formulas, with formulas, or for that matter, with dates and all of that. If you give it a pattern, I was about to do it, but I'm tempted, but I'm not going to do it. I'll wait till the next video. So basically, that's how you format your numbers as it relates to currency. And most of the time, you're probably going to be doing currency and percentages, okay? But of course, it all depends. And in some cases, you'll be doing dates. But we'll learn more about those dates in the next video.